I should probably unequip my bongos. Hold up. What button is that? Okay, today I'm gonna teach you like the basic thing of coding, which is just position and rotation, because people like really don't know this stuff. Like they get confused like a lot. But anyway, I'm gonna make this block equal the position of this block. So you go to your coding log, your connections. This, you're gonna name it hold position. I'm gonna name this go to position. This is really basic. So label, which is gonna make it loopable, so it's like that. And it's gonna be go to, like all these, which means it's not gonna be this being that, it's gonna be that being this. And hold, you're gonna make sure these are the same position, so it's like that. And then go to, you're gonna make sure it's the same label. And then after, start active. And then you should see that they're in the same position. So grab it and they follow each other, which is cool. Oh, what? Now for rotation. I'm just gonna make a new code block for this. Move that back. So this model is kind of wrong. It's more like this. It's more like that. Because instead of Y being up and down, let me just do a demonstration. Edit. Label set go to hold. Go to is equal to hold. Next, start active. This, instead of doing up and down, it's left and right. It's flat. And the other two are the other directions. And people mess that up like a lot. Especially when making like if I can find it, I think it's this one. Or is it down here? It's one of these. It's a mace that I made that's supposed to fling people around. And I used the wrong rotations. So that's basically that. But for the other rotations, X and Y, the X and Y, it's basically just both, just X and Z. And go to X, and go to Z, hold X, hold Z, X, and now it copies every rotation, which is really simple. Now, if you were to make this, make it do all of these, and all of these, it would just make it copy this exactly. Like it would be in here, and it would turn the same. And an example of me using this in a prefab is I made this, and it's a punching glove with an arrow. And when you grapple this, okay, so this is grouped. This has a code block to where the Y in the position XY, XZ, is the same, so it moves around. But I also combined animation, so whenever you grapple, it summons the air block that's underneath. You can kind of see. Let me remove the ground. So you can see this is animated. This is an anchor to where it doesn't look weird. And then you can grapple and you can move around really fast.